Unsa giday sila sa una?
Oh man, they try to push. Di gabi lang push yun sa as in like ma-feel ni mo bang like I was, at the same time ma-feel po na ako nakaron, but back then when I was younger I was too naive. Wala kay na ko siya na-realize, but karon na-realize na ako sa I'm also pushing for something myself. It takes one to know one. So wala ko kabaloon sa ilang mga lakaw sa una ba. So when now looking at hindsight, I na-realize na ako yun sa pag-push ni Chuck Balls ang basis sa una. Nagtukod siya Punch Bowl, 99 Ranch, like Karumata right now, a venue for people nga maka-perform, do their stuff, do their art. And of course, they're pushing the boundaries of music. It was something so new sa Cagayan de Oro City nga music nga landscape. I would go on because I'm a big fan of Western music, but it was something so familiar from coming from the West, kay medyo lahi pod sila og dating. And also karon mga current na tong artist sigana pod siya at the same time karon, but it's so nostalgic.